Alright, let's look at the homework 1.1, problem number 4. Alright, so we have this right triangle and we want to find the length ABC. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so in this case it's completely horizontal because y coordinate here is exactly the same. So the distance between here 1 to 13, so A is going to be 12, right? So that's that. And the B, so this is completely vertical because the x coordinate is exactly the same. So the distance between 1 to 6 will be 5. So we have that. All right. Then in order to do this part, right? So since we're verifying the Pythagorean theorem, I'm going to actually just go ahead and use the distance formula. So let's do that. All right, distance formula said, so I'm going to put the square root, right? And then we have, right, this is like x2. So x2 minus x1. So you have a 13 minus 1 squared. So it's going to be 12 squared, right? And a plus. All right, and then you have a y2 is 6 and a y1 is 1. So it's going to be 5 squared. Right? Let's see, 12 squared is 144, and 5 squared is 25. Right? If you add them up, 144 plus 25 would be 169. 169, right? But the square root of 169 is, fortunately, it's 13, right? 13 times 13 is 169, so I get 13. All right, so we have that. All right, so if you want to find a squared, so 12 squared is 144, and b squared is 5 squared is 25. And a c squared is 13 squared is 169, right? So as you can see that, a squared plus b squared, which is going to be 144 plus 25 is it's a 169. All right, so it means that a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, which satisfies the Pythagorean theorem. All right. So let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got all parts correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.